Hello and welcome to another lesson with me, Mas. And today we are going to find the equivalent resistor of an electric circuit. Let's take a look. So as you see, this part, these resistors are series. And we have series, so you must connect them. It means you must add them together. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 12. 12 ohms, okay? So it means this circuit is changing to this one. They are the same. And this is 12 ohm. Same as this one. Right now, as you see, this resistor 12 and 4, they are parallel. So instead of this, you can say so. 3 ohm instead of this. And again, we can change it. Let's go to the next part. Again, these two are series. I must change it again. As you know, this and this. Again, these two are parallel. 6 and 6, they are parallel together. This is the final circuit. This is the final answer. The oracle is 10 ohm. Thank you so much for watching me.